What did you think about it when he called you?
I didn't believe it.
You're like, it's a scam, right? You excited, man?
Absolutely.
We got Jayden here. He's the winner of our Ram giveaway. I'm just sure you're dying to turn around, right?
Yep, been a long month coming.
Been a long time. We called you. It's been about a month, right? Been able to arrange to get him here, and we're doing the reveal. You ready? You ready for this?
Yep, stoked.
Okay. All right. Here we go. There you go, man.
All the above.
Oh yeah. What do you think?
Looks great. Yep, it's sweet. Awesome. Oh.
What do you think, dude?
It's awesome. Yeah.
So they did a bunch of stuff for you back here too. You can pull out the deck drawer and see. This is kind of cool.
Oh, that's perfect. Heck yeah.
Nice little touch, right?
Need the monster for the.
You're gonna need those.
Yep,
You're gonna need
absolutely.
those.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You got your Midland tack form, your easy plate stuff. That'll let you air up and air down really easily. Stuff's awesome.
And these are cool. I don't know if you've ever had these deck systems, but they're, and you can remove them too. That's what's cool is you can.
It'll hold a lot of weight.
Yeah.
I know you guys posted on it, so I kind of looked them up and stuff. And ever since they've been on my feed,
You're like, I already have one. Yeah, they're really cool. You can actually put like rifle mounts and stuff in there too to hold all sorts of stuff. It's really cool. Yeah.
This easy plate system's great. So if you're fighting for traction in the mud or sand or whatever, you can air down all your tires to like 10 pounds. You know, maybe 12 or 14 in this size of a truck, and then that will give you a lot more traction, and then you can air it back up with the same system.
Anyway, this still hasn't even felt real. You know, like
I'm sure, dude. What did you think about it when he called you?
I didn't believe him.
Or you're like, it's a scam, right?
that's what it still felt like, you know, because they're having to do all the paperwork. And I'm sending a lot of personal information here.
So when we called you over, what was your thought? Like, what was your when you hung up?
Well, at first I was just like, is this work calling? Because I said we do some business up here, and I was like, is it work? And I'm like, but then in my back of my head, I'm like, wait a second, they're announcing soon. There's no way. Answers to you guys, I'm like, just shocked, you know. It caught me at my worst, just dead tired, stressed out of my mind.
See, because you had just had Wes, right? Like that was just was it the
day
day before, the night before?
I go back into the hospital room, and I'm like, babe, guess what? She's just kind of like, what? No, I truck I entered you in, I won it. And she's like, no, the nurse is there helping her with something. The nurse is like, what?
Oh, that's cool.
And she's like, that's a first. I've been here 20 years.
Yeah.
How long did it take for her to believe?
It took a little bit. It took till like the social media post of it and stuff. And
me and Alan were like, that dude needs to go to Las Vegas like right now.
You did.
Oh, the bad thing is I did.
And it did turn out great.
It turned out $500. So,
dude, what is going on, man?
And we're from Logan, Utah State fans, and so basketball won the championship down there. The tournament championship won $500. It was a great week.
A truck, a baby, like, gee, man.
Yeah, I don't know if that week will ever.
That's gonna be hard to.
That'll be hard to beat.
It's gonna be really tough to beat that one.
That's awesome.
So this is the grid heater delete.
Yeah.
To fix that problem, because as you know, that's a massive issue.
Yep.
And then we did Banks tubes as well, and then we also did the Banks cold air intake over there. And honestly, dude, it made a massive difference.
Did it?
Just these little things.
Is that you giving it up?
Yes.
What you going with? Now?
Very
Is this a new one?
Yeah, just another Ram.
Nice.
Over here on this side, you've got the electrical disconnect. It's a hard disconnect for the winch.
Oh, okay.
So it will not turn, like it will not function until you turn that on.
Turn that to the green.
And then on the front here, you can see, here's the control box. There's a trigger inside the glove box.
Okay.
So you'll open this up, and that's how you plug it in to run it. There's also a remote control, so you can do it remotely if you wanted to.
Okay.
And then to engage or disengage the gears is through this hole over here. And
Okay.
then you've got a
Yeah, what kind of line did you guys put in there?
only the best.
Yeah.
So you can feel where you disengage and engage it right there.
Oh, right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so with that, then you can pull real hard, and you can recover all kinds of things with that.
Charlie pin top. On the shocks, I don't know when or if you'll need to do this, but you might need to get them readjusted at some point. I'm not sure how long. Maybe look at it in another 6 months or so. The factory bumpers. I don't know if you wanted those. So we've got the factory bumpers that we took off as well.
Yeah. Maybe just in case. I'm Jayden, and I just won the Ram 2500 giveaway. Let's go.
You just won the truck. How you feeling?
Feeling great. Yep, absolutely.
So tell us, what did you buy that won this truck for you?
Yeah, so I bought the Yankum rope kit. Comes with everything, the 1-ton kit. Bought it about, I don't know, 6-7 weeks ago, something like that. My brother had actually just gotten stuck in the only snowstorm we had down south in Utah. And he got in his car stuck, so he called me, and I didn't have anything on hand. So I went to the store and just bought a cheap strap, but then I was like, let's get something good in case you ever need to use it again. My dad's a big fan of like Matt's Off-Road Recovery, so I've heard of Yankum. So went there, bought it, and rest is history.
Cool. So the 1-ton kit bought you basically the truck behind you.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Pretty good deal.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So what's the first thing you're gonna do with this?
Drive home, go pick up my wife and kid, go for a ride, show it off a little bit. Yeah. All the above.
Awesome, man. Well, we appreciate your support in our business. That's really cool. This is kind of one way for us to give it back. So we're really excited
Yeah.
for you to.
No,
you to
really
do this.
appreciate it. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Where should we go?
It's up to you.
You're maxing AC in it, aren't you?
Yeah. I mean, it's not my truck, so I hope that's okay.
Take my fuel economy down.
So what do you think, man?
It's pretty sweet. It's awesome.
I was wanting them to put out the tow mirrors just because that's what you do in a Ram, isn't it?
Get the ghost trailer.
Yeah. Porter's like, pull out the tow mirrors. I'm like, it looks really ridiculous when you don't have the trailer on.
Right. I agree.
Does it feel real yet?
It's starting to feel real actually driving it. Yeah, reality's setting in. Still crazy. Still can't believe it. She's always said, you need to get yourself a nice truck. I'm like, I can't afford a nice truck.
Better take her on a date.
Yep.
So are you guys, where are you originally from? Are you from that area?
Yeah, so I've lived all over Cache Valley, from the south end to the north end. And then she's from over in Tremont.
Oh, cool. You put up the car washes, is that what you do?
Yeah, so the company I work for, we install all the equipment and do all the auxiliary work for the car washes.
So do you travel quite a bit?
Quite a bit,
Yeah.
yeah. We just got done with Bubble Barn's third location up in Jerome about a month ago or 2. Yeah, we kind of do all over Utah, up into Idaho, a little bit of Nevada. I enjoy it most of the time. It's a job, right?
Yeah.
And then I have my real estate license as well that I do on the side a little bit. I'm probably the only agent that'll say I don't want development.
Yeah.
I feel like Cache Valley's just grown so much and changed so much. And
Yeah.
My dad's a huge Matt's Off-Road. Like I said, that's kind of how I heard about you guys to begin with. So new YouTube comes out, and he's all about it.
Oh,
So-
he's an every episode guy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So you gonna be part owner of the truck then? or-
No. He can borrow it if he needs. So.
Man, look at that good. Look at our nice little take, right? Thank you. Down there.
There's 2 copies of that, so that I have an original and you do too. And you need to sign it here.
Okay.
And there's your check.
Awesome.
Here's this for do whatever with it. That's just kind of what we do for people to come pick up stuff.
Appreciate it.
Luckily, you're
A little close.
you're somewhat local, right?
Yeah,
So.
yeah.
Well, congratulations. You're the new owner of a really awesome truck, man.
Yeah, thank you.
This
Appreciate
is awesome.
it.
We're
It
really
is.
happy for you.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
You happy?
Absolutely stoked.
Excited?
Yes, sir.
Thanks for all your support, man. This
Absolutely.
has been fun.
Thank you.
Well-
You guys have been awesome.
Send us the reaction video when she sees it.
All right.
You gotta film it.
Yeah,
It'll be awesome. All right, congratulations. She's all yours. Now, if you want to be just like Jayden, all you got to do is just go to yankum.com. Every dollar you spend gets you entered to win a brand new 392 that is live right now.
Like, subscribe, so you can stay updated on all the announcements for the 392.